It's freaking hot. 85 degrees outside. Girl. But y'all see from the title, we're gonna be cleaning this freaking car. Like, it don't make no sense. Like, that needs to get cleaned out. Need to wipe down here. Need to put some new air fresheners in. Need to vacuum it out. Need to wash the bird poop off my car. This is what this video is gonna be about. Y'all like my car video, so we're gonna do that today. Put y'all on this tripod. First place I need to go to is a Goodwill because I got stuff in my trunk that need to dip. Let's see what's the closest Goodwill. 4.8 miles. 15 minutes. Oh, the lighting is bad. But yeah, that's where we're going first. Get this stuff out my trunk. Going to Goodwill. Let's go.
I'm displaying my feelings like I'm wearing a cup, but ain't no truth in it. They be like I'm done for with you. I spend stupid racks. And she my therapist. I'ma talk to this cup. I in the streets looking for.
Look at that traffic.
Skin purple, her stingy with a heart to shake.
I ain't going to no interstate.
Nobody but if you.
What the heck?
I feel like it is toxic.
Oh shit! Let's go off the fucking side of the road. Y'all see that traffic? What the hell? Y'all finally here. I'm at Goodwill. Drop these dang clothes off. What this thing got me going? Oh, no, let me turn around. Oh, I found it. Okay. Got to get these people these clothes. Oh, there's a hose. I don't know if I'm not supposed to run over that. Period. Boy, it's so cute. I'm gonna type in my address. Okay. Now it's time to go wash this car, period.
0.99% financing for up to 60 months with 0 down. Come see us today.
Yes, I get reset.
Shut up. So I'm about to pull up where I'm about to wash my car. Oh, like car wash. No, I want to hand wash it. It's hot, like I can turn it on and off. Like it's hot as well. It's better, to be honest. It's just if you lazy, you want to go to the car wash. But I'm about to pull up now. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get out the car. Okay, period. I'm back in, and so we about to hand wash this car. Someone got done washing their car. I got slides on here, but okay. I need my phone up to where it don't fall. I feel like it's gonna fall. I ain't got time for that, cause dang, I should have had a tripod or something. You know what? I'm gonna put y'all right there. Oh, bugs. So y'all have to sit right there. Clean it out first. Oh my God. First things first, actually, what you do is wet your car. You can't wash a dry car. It was time for her to get a clean. I'm sorry, girl. I know you dirty. I gotta pull her off. Look at all this on the front of my car.
Can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you out. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna hug you out. I wanna grab you tight. Pull up inside me, baby. Hooking it up like oopsie. Then dip me underway. Feel my foot flow when I went slow. Hold me till I scream forever.
Alright, so I'm done with that outside of my car. So now I'm about to do the inside. I'm gonna do the trunk first. Oh, you know what? No, I'm just gonna put everything in the trunk. Only thing I have in my car is just this water, a jacket, and a lunchbox that I need to put in the trunk. Okay, so that's everything from the back seat. No, I don't really have nothing in the front seat. So yeah, I do need to clean this out. All this change in my wallet. Put my vacuum in there, and then in here I should have brought a trash bag. I haven't seen this thing empty in a minute. That's bad. Okay, so I'm gonna vacuum in there too. So sit y'all right there real quick, and I'm about to go through this stuff right here. I'm gonna put some of it in glove department, so I'm gonna put this in there. These are the air fresheners I'm gonna put in my car. I had two. Oh. We'll put those in at the end. Got some gum, some perfumes. I hope they ain't waiting on me because I gotta vacuum this goddamn car out. Let me hurry up because I think these people waiting on me. I'm just gonna vacuum it out real quick and then wipe it down when I get back to my house. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. How does thing zoom in? Alright y'all, so I'm home. Well, I'm back. And I'm about to I'm gonna show you how to finish the product, but I'm about to put these air fresheners in real quick. Oof! This thing here smells so good. Take the old ones out. Put the new ones in. I put them on the both, like the farthest one. Got the new ones in. One right there and one right there. And then those two are going out. So I'm just gonna leave them in because they still got a little bit left. But these ones did too, but it's whatever. But I'm about to show y'all the finished look of my car. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour real quick. Let me show y'all the outside first. This is the outside. The tire's looking real better. Ooh, that scared the fuck out of me. Okay, period. Show y'all the inside. Don't laugh at how close I sit up on the wheel. This need to get fixed. Like, what's going on, man? This is the side. Floors are clean. I need to wash the bottom because it's so dirty. See, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash the bottom. I'm gonna take this and I don't know if it's if you can wash it or maybe no. I'm gonna just rub it down. Maybe some stuff to wipe it down. But the last thing I need to do is take these Lysol wipes and wipe this baby everywhere. Hold on. I have my wipes in the trunk. Hold on. It's hot out here, baby. Better wipe this steering wheel. Cause this is where my hands be at the most. Wipe this dashboard down. I always wipe it anyways. So don't think this is the first time me wiping it. Cause I wiped it plenty of times. Good. But I can just feel it that it's like, it feels more clean and stuff. So I got all the trash that was in my car, and I'm just gonna put it in the apartment, in the trash. It's hot. It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, and I started doing my car at 2. Yeah, so it's been a while for me, but my camera's about to die. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.